Welcome to Technology Lab. Today we will learn more about Hadoop. In the last video, we learned about why we need big data, why big data is important, what is Hadoop and Hadoop architecture. Today we will learn about what is map and reduce. Now let us learn about MapReduce. MapReduce nothing but just like an algorithm or a data structure that is based on the Yarn framework. The major feature of MapReduce is to perform the distributed processing in parallel in a Hadoop cluster, which makes Hadoop working so fast. When you are dealing with big data, serial processing is no more of any use. MapReduce has mainly two tasks which are divided phase-wise: map task and reduce task. In first phase, map is utilized and in next phase, reduce is utilized. Here we can see that the input is provided to the map function, then its output is used as an input to the reduce function, and after then we receive our final output. Let us understand what this map and reduce does. As we can see that an input is provided to the map. Now as we are using big data, the input is a set of data. The map function here breaks these data blocks into tuples that are nothing but a key value pair. These key value pair are now sent as input to the reduce function. The reduce function then combines these broken tuples or key value pair based on its key value and from set of tuples, and perform some operation like sorting, summation type job, etc., which is then sent to the final output node. Finally, the output is obtained. The big data processing is always done in reducer depending upon the business requirement of that industry. This is how first map function and then reduce function is utilized one by one. Let us understand the map task and reduce task. Now let us learn about map task. Record reader. The purpose of record reader is to break the records. It is responsible for providing key value pairs in map function. The key is actually its locational information and value is the data associated with it. Map. A map is nothing but a user-defined function whose work is to process the tuples obtained from record reader. The map function either does not generate any key value pair or generate multiple pair of these tuples. Combiner. Combiner is used for grouping the data in the map workflow. It is similar to a local reducer. The intermediate key value that are generated in the map is combined with the help of its combiner. using a combiner is not necessary as it's optional. Partitioner. Partitioner is responsible for fetching key value pairs generated in the mapper phases. The partitioner generates the shared corresponding to each reducer. Hash code of each key is also fetched by this partition. Then partitioner performs its modulus with the number of reducers. Number of reducers equal to key hash code modular number of reducers. Now let us learn about reduce task. Shuffle and sort. The task of reducer starts with this step, the process in which the mapper generates the intermediate key value and transforms them to the reducer task is known as shuffling. Using the shuffling process, the system can sort the data using its key value. Once some of the mapping tasks are done shuffling beginning, that is why it is faster process and does not wait for the completion of the task performed by mapper. Reduce. The main function or task of the reduce is to gather the tuple generated from map and then perform some sorting and aggregation sort of process on those key value depending on its key element. Output format. Once all the operations are performed, the key value pairs are written into the file with the help of record writer. Each record in a new line and the key and value in a space separated manner. Hope you learn about Hadoop. We will discuss more about Hadoop in next video. If you have any question about Hadoop, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and share this video. To get instant notification about our new videos, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.